Hello everyone and welcome to Wristview. This is my very first video on the channel and I'm excited to start this journey by unboxing my very first Casio watch. Today we're taking a look at the legendary Casio F-91W. The Casio F-91W is one of the most popular digital watches ever made. Known for its simplicity, reliability, and affordability, this watch has earned a special place among watch enthusiasts around the world. Let's open the box and see what we get. As soon as you take it out of the box, the first thing you notice is how lightweight it feels. The design is simple, clean, and instantly recognizable. The watch features a digital display, an alarm function, a stopwatch, a built-in LED backlight, and the option to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats. One of the most impressive features of the F-91W is its battery life, which can last up to 7 years under normal use. Despite its affordable price, the watch offers excellent reliability and everyday practicality. It's easy to wear, comfortable on the wrist, and suitable for students, professionals, and anyone looking for a dependable daily watch. Now that I've finally got my first Casio watch, I can understand why the F-91W has become such an icon over the years. It's not trying to be flashy or complicated. Instead, it focuses on doing the basics extremely well. After spending some time with it, my first impression is very positive. It's lightweight, comfortable, easy to read, and has a timeless design that never goes out of style. I even wore it during a workout at the gym, and it felt great on the wrist throughout the session. If you're interested in checking out the Casio F-91W, you'll find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more watch unboxings and reviews. See you in the next video.